Hello everyone, today I will show you how I make Khoya or Mawa at home using milk powder. You can make this under 10 minutes. I will also share some tips on how I store this. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. In a pan, add 1/3 cup of ghee. If you don't have ghee, you can use butter. Add 1.5 cup of milk. Bring it to a boil. I'm adding 2 cups of milk powder in portions. To avoid any clumps from forming, don't add all at once. Adding a little and stirring. Along with stirring, I'm also pressing down to avoid any big lumps from forming. Cook this on low to medium heat. It will very quickly start to thicken, so make sure you're stirring constantly. This has thickened and separated nicely from the pan. Our Khoya is ready. Either you can store this Khoya in fridge for a week or for a month in a freezer. If freezing this, store in a Ziploc bag. When you need to use it, just place the bag in lukewarm water and it will get soft. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel.